Yeah, good day, welcome to multi-net design. In the continuation of our first new design that we are working on. So in the last episode we do all this one. So in the next episode we want to focus on the last part of the tenant side, which is the level 3. So I want to convert this one to 2-bedroom. Understand? So now I will start straight up. So I'm going to say yeah. So I'm going to give this one. So we have it close. So you see that it's a straightforward design. So I'm going to have this like this as the toilet and bath for that. Okay, so here I'm going to have my kitchen. Let's see, I have a kitchen here. Okay, so let's see, I'm going to have a stand. So this is going to be for dining. This part is going to be for kitchen and it's going to be for dining. So this is going to be for living room. So close it up. Then not finished. What do you do next? Is that we are going to open this channel. Take it up here. Open opposite of toilet here. Adjust. So take this inside. So that is 2-bedroom being created in this particular design. So I have a kitchen, I have the dining here, which is here, the kitchen here, this level. Then, but I can decide to change it. Depends on. Let me just change it so that I decide to change it to suit my. But I'm going to terminate the. Okay, let me see, without copy. This part I want to do. So I have my kitchen here. Where I still this one a little bit down. So my kitchen. My corner. So we have it in the kitchen with this side, and this is dining side. So that is the aspect concluded. So let me bring the whole thing I have on the ground floor. Now I'll say copy, then bring it in and see paste, assign to this level. I think we will select one. Just bring this over there. So we will copy and paste select. Okay. So we have so just like this. So the room is still existing. So now what we have is that at this level we are having the room, everything entered like this straight up, which I don't want. So I want like these two rooms have their own. So I'm going to say, so it's going to come from here, and then I'll mirror it. So mirror, sorry, mirror with copy. So I'm going to mirror that with copy. Come in. So that's what I have here. So stay here now. So what I'm going to do is that I will select the door, adjust this one, or delete it. Just delete. So I'm going to say the door. So I'm going to put the door here. So dot to here, dot to here. So for the kitchen, here is where we come. Then we have the entrance to the toilet from the outside, because it's at the upper floor. So we have it here. This is going to be here, the entrance here. So this is going to come in because the landing is going to come in. So there's something I'm going to do here. I think I should have a little one room to be here as well. So we'll go here and focus later. So I will convert this one to 3-bedroom. So let me say I'm going to convert this from the half part. So you get what I'm saying now. So I'm going to do here. So this is it. So from the dining, if you enter here, it's a simple creative design. Then you have this without. So you have this. The room might be small, it's good. So you have this as well. It's another room. So you go here and select your dining. So I'm going to use this one, circle, then my kitchen components. So I'm just select the kitchen cabinets like we have. So you can use the long one or the short one, depends on what you are doing. So I'm going to have that kitchen in place. So this kitchen is not going to enter for a store. So there's no need for store to be there. So that's the kitchen. Then I'll have open door to be here. Okay, so that I have access to the balcony at the upper floor. So this is just a pure design style on this particular one. So the upper floor, so what we just need to do is, when I finish the directive of everything at the ground floor, I'm going to bring that to the upper floor. So you see what we have created. Now I can decide to convert this one. This is the 1-bedroom. This is the 1-bedroom again, because one more occupier, and this is 3-bedroom. So you get this is 3-bedroom, everything in order. So living room, bedroom. So the next we focus on that. So let's quickly do what we need to do by creating the slab for them before we proceed. So starting from ground floor, we will create slab, slab. So I'm going to say slab from here. That's the ground floor for you. So the slab is completed. Click finish. So okay, definitely there was the one before. Okay, let me delete it. So let me check from 3D and see there's one that is existing. So what I do is that I will say copy to clipboard, then select where to go from level 1 to level 3. You see it appears there and it's there. So what I have here is that everything I have here at the front, I might decide to change them later, but I'll still continue. I will just use what I've already created here. I will say copy, use it. So because of that, so everything because of this project base points, that's this app issue. So if you copy, cannot copy project base points, it's not possible. So just collect and go to level 2. and level 3 and place align to current field. So this is what we have created. So modify by finish it up by this. So everything you still create, they are still intact. So select that and fix them from here. So the way you have the ground floor, the way you still have it here. So now what we do is that we are now going to work on the style of the staircase in the next episode. But before then, I just want to explain what I have here. So this is going to be for like it's going to be for like a study or anything like that, because this is now like 6-bedroom according to what the clients require for. So that is that part that you need to focus on as a designer. So whatever you want to do more, you can actually achieve it by extending the whole things cantilever. So we're going to work based on every assignment that come from the design one more time. So this is how far we go from here. In the next episode, we'll now focus on the staircase and things that we needed to adjust before we now begin to get everything in order. So check onto 3D and see this is how we have created it. So it's going to be an interesting design of a beauty college. Time for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you.